Liquid Power Multivitamin from California Academy of Health. A vegetarian multivitamin nutrient complex with a proprietary blend of 10C vegetables, whole chlorella, and algae. Liquid Power Multi-V contains an organic blend of superfruits, vegetables, antioxidants, and phytonutrients. It is the most unique and complete liquid multi-nutrient supplement available. There is nothing else like it on the market. Compare the ingredients with other brands. It's potent, comprehensive, and cost-effective. Liquid Power Multi-V is an amazing tasting, one-of-a-kind, 100% natural and certified vegetarian, whole food antioxidant supplement. Liquid Power Multi-V possesses the most complete combination of vitamins, nutrients, minerals, fruits, berries, sea vegetables, green foods, phytonutrients, enzymes, amino acids, fatty acids, and herbs on the market today. The bioavailable liquid nutrition comes from the whole food sources, and Liquid Power Multi-V whole food sources contain a complete makeup of carbohydrates, proteins, phytonutrients, enzymes, and thousands of other complex complementary compounds, which create a synergy that other isolates and synthetic nutrients don't have. Compare and you will see, Liquid Power Multi-V from CAOH has no equal, and it's perfect for the entire family. Liquid Power Multivitamin from California Academy of